My name is Doug Joseph, and I'm going to be proctoring your final exam on the Burlingame campus. Melanie Wallace will be proctoring your final exam on the Iola campus. If you're unable to come to either campus to take your final, please contact your instructor. Once you've decided which campus you would like to take your final exam on, click on the web link in your email. There is one for the Iola campus, and there is one for the Burlingame campus. The page will load, and you can select what time works best for you. All time slots are 2 hours long. So for example, Thursday, July 30th, 9 o'clock, that means your exam will run from 9 to 11. Once you've decided which time works best for you, you'll want to highlight it. Just highlight one time, come over to the right, fill in your name. In the comments, fill in your student ID number. Then click Send Response. Once you come to take your final, you'll want to show up a few minutes early so you can log in and be ready to start at the start time. Also, please make sure to bring a photo ID and a calculator. Scratch paper will be provided.